The FabricBot is a unique novelty on the market of industrial laser machines, designed for serial cutting of fabric and other coiled materials. Characterized by high reliability and productivity. Width of 1,800 mm. Length up to 6,000 mm. Can have a power of 100 to 180 watts. With the ability to install 2 or more cutting heads. Our lasers have different layout options. The first option, the working table is not movable for cutting in decks, several tens of layers at a time. The second option, movable, for cutting in conveyor mode. The machines can be equipped with a contour recognition system, which allows cutting the fabric on the edge of the printed image or digitizing the patterns for cutting. The FabricBot also contains a laser system for projecting the upcoming cut. In addition to coil materials, our machines can also cut other materials, making them multifunctional. Plywood, wood, plastic, paper, rubber, engrave and mark materials. The FabricBot has everything you need to get started. Integrated extractors, compressed air system, laser tube cooler, and all necessary wiring. Getting started with the machine is very easy. Our specialists will help you to do it. The software is simple and intuitive. Our company guarantees 24 months of reliable operation. We provide service and technical support for you. We will help you to quickly learn and effectively use it in your business.